Hi everyone, welcome to this incredible home built by Flaskin Group situated in Brisbane, Camp Hill. I cannot wait to show you inside, so let's go in. Stepping into this home, you're greeted by beautiful timber oak floors. On this floor, you will actually find an office space and also a guest bedroom. Now the guest bedroom is lovely and bright thanks to these windows overlooking the pool. Straight across the bedroom, you also have a guest bathroom. Now the great thing about this bathroom is you do have shower facilities. The home has an abundance of natural light, and this is thanks to these incredible oversized windows. But also you have a fresh white interior, and open plan living really maximizes the space and makes this area feel very airy. You have an elegant timeless white kitchen with integrated appliances. And in this kitchen you will find plenty of storage, which is always needed. You have Caesarstone bench tops and some gorgeous pendants which really add that wow factor. What I love about this kitchen is the bar area. So you've got this gorgeous archway here. And then you've also got a butler's pantry. Now in this pantry you do have a sink, and you've also got lots of storage space. Straight through from the pantry you come across to the mudroom / laundry. There is a garage on the right hand side, so when you come out of your car you can leave your bags in the mudroom and also your groceries in the kitchen. We walk past our dining area and straight into a very large living room. Now this living room is consistent of two sections, so you've got one area which is fantastic to set up as your TV area. It's also very bright in here thanks to all the windows, as you can see. Then from straight across your sitting area you come to a more formal area. So this is great for entertaining. You've got a fantastic fireplace, so I can just see sitting around the fireplace during winter. Then straight outside into your private balcony, so a lovely outdoor area. I can see alfresco dining happening all year round. You've got your swimming pool on your right hand side, and then you've also got an outdoor kitchen, which by the way has city views. Now we'll make our way back inside because we're going to go upstairs. But before we do that, take a look at this beautiful grand staircase. I love the chandelier and of course all those windows. When you walk upstairs, you encounter another sitting area. Now before we head into the guest bedrooms, just remember there was a guest bedroom downstairs as soon as we walked into the home. So this will be guest bedroom number 2. Beside the bedroom, you've got the guest bathroom, and this bathroom is gorgeous. I love how spacious it is and that they've got a shower and a bathtub as well. Then straight beside it, you've got the linen cupboard straight in front of us, and then the last guest bedroom. Now this home, as you've noticed, has got windows everywhere, which I personally love. It's so bright and airy. And now we'll make our way into the master bedroom. So here it is. Now when you walk through that door, the first thing you notice is this sliding door right here. It opens right up and you've got your own private balcony. Now take a look at this. You can see the city. I can imagine how beautiful it would be at night time. Heading back in, we'll go and check out the walk-in robe. The walk-in robe is lovely and spacious. Around the corner, you've got your ensuite. Lovely and bright in here too. You do have a his and her sink, and you've also got a freestanding bath, and you also have a double shower. So very spacious. So guys, I truly hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home.